Okay, so this is the next one we're doing, is like letter S. So let us begin. Let's go to a new document. Okay, it's Control N, then parts. Then remember, always it should be in MGS, depending on the question you are given. The ones I have are in millimeters. Then go to sketch, then you select sketch and sketch. It's your front plane, so you select your front plane. So let's start with the bottom part. So we have a small circle basically. We have a circle here, a circle, and then smart dimension. The radius of this circle is 2.5, so the diameter is 5. So the next thing you're doing is that you have a line tool. Now this is the top part here, so you draw a line that is 180 degrees. You escape. You take your line tool again at this other end point. You draw another line which is 180 degrees. Then you go to your smart dimension. Now this one is 22.5. This base 2 is also 22.5. Okay, so let's fit to screen. So that's you can even, so now let's see. The next thing we have is we have a circle. We have a circle, yes, that's intersecting this line at that point. So let's do this. You can easily do this. Just pick a point here. Now remember I told you that you can make it vertical, so just make it here. So you now do smart dimension. Make this at angle of, okay, radius of 20, so that is diameter of 40. Fit this to screen. Okay, then you do the same thing for this second circle. It's the same center if you notice, because the height of this thing is 5. So because here, like, distance from it to here is 5, given that the diameter of circle is 5, so automatically here is going to have the same center. So smart dimension this, you have, they won't even allow you smart dimension, you see. Oh, they actually did. Normally they don't. So that's 50. So that's that. So as you see, everything is already defined. So the next thing we have is we have another circle that's like kind of, let me use control up so we can actually move up. This is a random circle here, and then we smart dimension this circle. Never smart dimension it has the same radius as the other one, so you can just do that shortcut. You can just select this circle, hold your control key, then select this second circle and make it equal. Then yes, then the distance, we're giving the distance from one circle to the other to be 90. So we have from here to here is 90. Face the screen. Okay, so the distance from there to there is 90, and the distance from that point to the other point I believe should be 45. So from here to here should be 45. Okay, with that everything is like fully defined. The next thing, you have the same lines. So let's come to the base of this one. The line should be at 0 degrees. Escape. Let's come down a bit. So line again. Come to the top. Line should be like at 0 degrees. Escape. So using your smart dimension tool, let me see, it should also work for this, such that I don't even have to do this. So select this, hold your control key, select this, select this, select this, and make everything equal. But that's going to give me problems. Let me just do the old fashioned way and smart dimension. So 22.5. This one is also 22.5. So now, based on what we had before, you take your circle tool, just click a random center and just let it join to this side. You do the same thing here, random center, just let it join perpendicularly to that side. Then you smart dimension. So if you smart dimension this, the other one will automatically reduce, I believe. So this one is 40. See, this one has already reduced. This should be 50. It's already 50. So everything is fully defined. So all you just have to do now is just trim off the extra parts that you do not need. So you don't need this part of the circle, so you trim it off. You don't need this part of the circle, you trim it off. You don't need here. 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 And you don't need here. You don't need here. And you don't need here. So everything is done. This was so quick. So let's select I done with the trimming. Everything is fully defined, so we just go to our features, extrude boss base. The height of the drawing is 15, so based on that we just go 15 and press enter. So it's basically done. So all we have to do now is color. So the whole inside is like the same colors, like yellowish. So let's do that. I believe the bottom is greenish, so selecting here, face 1. So based on that, let's see, you have like this color. I don't have the strength to start selecting those particular colors, so you just bear with me. So I believe that is all that has this color, then everywhere else is green. So let's go. Or is it bluish green? I don't even understand the color. I'll just use this. So here is green, 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 here is green. Press enter. So let's make this an isometric view. So this is the end result, and done within 7 minutes. So it's actually very easy. Yes, it is. So this is your S.